Hey guys, Preston Murphy here, the team owner of the Harmon Murphy Group Real Estate Team, powered by Keller Williams. And so as I always say to my teammates, our main job is to be your trusted economist of choice. What does that mean? Well, ultimately that means that whether the real estate market is good, it's bad, it's stagnant, we're going to deliver the raw facts to you so that you can make smart decisions about your next move. Here are the latest market statistics. In December of 2022, so last month, we closed 713 residential units in Escambia and Santa Rosa counties, which is down 34% compared to December of 2021. More fascinating is the fact that the value of that real estate, what we call closed volume, was also down exactly 34%. So what does that tell us in simple terms? Well, for the past 2 years, all you've heard on the news is that prices were going up and up and up. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to share with you that that market is officially over and the tide is starting to turn in favor of buyers. In fact, if I was going to get more granular with you, what I'd share with you is that Keller Williams Realty Gulf Coast is the market share leader throughout the area. And because of our size and the sheer number of homes we close year after year, we can actually see the trends much faster than most smaller brokerages. One thing that I have noticed in my recent deep dive of that data is that listings taken volume is actually less than listings taken units by a pretty big margin. This means that homes that were just listed last month for sale at our brokerage and will be closing in the upcoming months were effectively less expensive than the homes at this same time last year. Again, in simple terms, what that means to you is that prices have definitely stabilized and there is some indication that they're starting to decrease in certain neighborhoods. I'll give you more insight into that in the upcoming months as that new data starts to roll in. So let's dot the I here. If you're a seller and you need to sell, again, I'm going to emphasize need to sell. The time is now so that you can capitalize on the equity that you've built in your home over the past 2 years. Keep in mind, in some areas, homes rose 40% of value in the past 2 years. So even if things take a 5% step back, a 10% step back, you are still massively winning. If you're a buyer and sellers are back at the negotiating table in certain price points. So in the lower price points, right, say $250,000 and under, it is still a highly competitive market and you need to make a very strong offer. I appreciate the trust that you've placed in me and my team over the past decade. Numbers are the language of real estate, and when you need to buy or sell, I'm confident that you're going to reach out to me and my team at the Harmon Murphy Group. See you soon.